Alright, so today we received some bugs from Hardrace and from buddyclub. So we got front camber kit and extended ball joint. I don't think we're gonna install the extended ball joint today because I need a special tool for that I don't have. Probably gonna install the front camber kit, maybe the rear too. I got some rear to install, and I also got the universal joint, the integra universal joint for the steering rack to connect to the steering column. So that's what we're gonna start with. All right, so you see that's the steering column spline, and that's the rack and pinion spline. It's bigger on the integras, so it should fit right in. There you go. I also just received this package from Circuit Hero. So let's open this. It's got a bitted 20mm hub spacer. It's a nice piece though, very light, and it's bitted so it's strong. Came with this sticker. So I'm gonna remove this one. Right size. I wanted that wheel since I saw Danny DC2 with that wheel. I always like it. A little smaller than my old one, and it's Alcantara. Yeah, so with the spacer, Circuit Hero spacer. gonna be a little bit closer. It's gonna be a little better for me. C'est genre les mêmes. Hard like. Sont faits de même les tiens, de toute façon? Non?
Ben là, c'était des trucs.
Ah, je pensais que c'était des Megan que t'avais. Peut-être que c'est ça que t'avais.
Ça va aussi, je te l'ai dit, je suis les couleurs, ça va m'éviter.
Ah, ça, oui. Alright, so let's start removing the OEM camber kit. Start by removing this chuck. Since I don't care about the old the OEM camber kit, I'm just gonna knock it right there to remove it. But if you want to reuse it, don't ever remove it like this. There we go. Alright, so I just finished installing camber arm. I gave it a little bit of negative camber. Anyway, this car is gonna have to be aligned, so I'm not gonna mess too much with this. Even gave the anodized nut. It's pretty mint. Yes, so I think I'm gonna do the rear another day, because it started getting cold here and I'm starting to get hungry. So that's gonna be it for today. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.